Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh from Integrated School of Temerloh. Today, we are going to show you our project that we are working on to solve the main problem that our school is currently facing. Before we go any further, let's meet my teammate first.
As you can see here, there are 4 of our problem statements. The first one is waste product. In our school, there is one program that calls School Without Dustbin, and this project will help to support the program that is promoting to reduce waste product. Secondly is food leftover. We all know that this is one of the worst problems, and our school is not exception from it. After that, another problem to be facing when someone wants to start agriculture is high cost due to the fertilizer and all of the necessary need of the plant. And the last one is limited spaces. It is a common problem since the numerous development resulted in a lack of area for agriculture. First, waste product. Secondly, food leftover. Third, high cost. And the last one, limited space.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As you can see the board behind me, our school in South has declared that our school is school without dustbin. This happened because school management want to teach students how to manage rubbish properly.
Our project is combining all the elements such as vertical concept, fertigation, hydroponic and biocompost fertilizer, and we can just do it in our school.
Oh, Izzat, come here.
Oh, Adam, wait. Oh, no, I stuck.
This is one of the most common problems faced in today's schools. Limited space. In the previous scene, Izzat was on his way to meet his friends but was caught in between some hedges. So, with our project concept, we hope to change the way that current schools plan their gardens from horizontal to the more space efficient and vertical.
What kind of smell is this? I'm sure it's from the leftover. What can we do with this leftover?
So, why don't you use it to make compost for our garden? This fertilizer is so much better than chemical fertilizer. It is safe, less cost, and the most important thing is it's not wasting the product. It is an eco-friendly movement. So, why don't we use our waste to turn it into our plant's treasure?
Here is the example of our fertigation concept. As you can see, there are strings that connected to the egg container, and the strings are functioned to absorb the nutrients and water that flow through the pipe. As you can see, there is a pipe that flow water used by students to wash their hands. And for your information, the water used by students will flow to our garden. Okay guys, here we come back from the sea. And as you can see here, there is a pipe that flow the water from the sea to our garden. Look, here is our fertilizer tank. This tank functions to flow the fertilizer to our garden.
These are the procedure for seedlings germination tests. From our seedlings germination test, we see that while using Centennial garden with biocompost fertilizer, it will increase seedlings germination. These are the procedure for head tests. From our head test, we see that while using Centennial garden with biocompost fertilizer, it will increase the head of seedlings.
To summarize this presentation, we can find out that we have to make the best use of vacant space. No matter how the size of space are, remember, never throw your rubbish and leftover, but reuse it. One more thing to be remembered is don't waste the usage of water because the water can be used in our garden. Those materials can be innovated into the greatest Centennial garden.